simple...
Camilla DeBilo.
Do I need another nutty caramel? Absolutely not. But am I gonna have one? Yes. Also, I redid... Hey. Also, I just redid my drawer. Look at how satisfying she is. She is beauty. She is grace. She is nutty caramel. I'm telling you guys, this is the best coffee ever. Drink it with some French vanilla sugar-free creamer. Sugar-free because we healthy. And we also drink like 5 coffees a day. Also, big jug gang, sorry. What is going on? Okay. I just want to vlog. That's all I want to do, guys. Jesus, my hair. Wow. She's a model, guys. So back to my dreams of being on SSG. Look at me now. Say hi to the vlog. More Simba content, you say? He likes being held like a baby. What's wrong with you? Bro, Millie shit. How? Jesus, my hair. I look like an e-boy. Didn't even notice no punches I could roll with. You got to keep it focused. You. Oh my god, I'm gonna get coffee right now. Why am I making a coffee at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time?
My planner.
Yeah, look at the ways I'm showing him, guys.
Gotta have workout clothes at noon. Dress casual, and then we get fancied up. But that's not until later, the fancy part. But it's gonna be a fun day.
It's gonna be a what?
A fun day.
A fun day.
A fun day. Also,
look at our 2 TV setup. I can't wait to spill the beans. He said I'm excited like 3 times today.
I am excited. It's gonna be fun. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. No, that's spin. Roll over. Good boy. Spin. Yes, sir.
This is our pantry. These are his dog treats. Ooh, actually, his dog treats, the ones that make his teeth smell good. Yeah, sorry. I think I ran out of these, like, good ones. He hates those. Where's this one? Ooh. Oh my god, look, I got this because it's a Papillon. Vita Bone Chewy. Ew, it's stinking. And there's only like 4 in here. What is this ripoff? They look like twins. You really wanna check, but you can't, 'cause you're a dog. We ran out of hummus. What's up, guys? So I just got ready a little bit. I put my hair up in a bun because I'm having a whack hair day. Of course, the day that I'm like gonna go full out on Valentine's Day, but it's fine. Anyways, so I have a simple... Simba? You good, bro? Sit if you're good. I have a simple little fit on because at 12 o'clock I need to be in workout clothes apparently. So I have a bunch of little errands to run right now. I'm last minute. I've been so freaking busy with other stuff that I realized I have nothing to wear. I was supposed to order my Valentine's Day fits online, but I've been so busy with other stuff that I forgot. So luckily we have one cute IG baddie-ish store, but they don't open until 10. Hopefully they have some things. It'll be fun. We're gonna try on some cute dresses in the fitting room together, and then yeah, I'll show you what I'm wearing tonight. Also, I have to pick up some lashes and just a bunch of little errands I have to do. So let's get it. My mirror is so dirty, but I'm just wearing some leggings and bralette from the brand Aerie. I love these leggings because they have a pocket right here, if you can see, and it just holds my phone in. And then I'm just wearing this little Adidas jacket that I thrifted a long time ago. I just threw my hair up in a bun. Curl necklace that I love. 2 phones check. Coffee check. Okay, so I have a cute little list on my phone that I'll put on the screen of all of the little things that I need to get. I have an hour and a half. There's an Ulta right next to the boutique place that we're going to, so hopefully I can just get it all done. I don't know, tell me if, wait, why is the lighting like that? I wanted to put it on the screen so that we could do a cute little checklist thing. Also, it's satisfying. I just got my car tripod, but we're gonna pick that up in the mail right now. Fuck my neighbors.
Can you come with me?
Hi. Hi, I called you because there's an awkward moment right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have to call you back.
That's fine. I just needed you for like 2 seconds. Bye. Oh my god, my neighbor hates me, dude. I swear I smile at him every single time and he never smiles back. Like, we made full eye contact right now and I smiled at him. And he didn't smile back. I don't know why. Like, we never do. We're good neighbors. They're the ones that's always fighting. Yeah, fun fact, literally the neighbors behind me on the right and the left, they're all psycho. I can hear them fighting and screaming at each other at like 2 in the morning. So my nosy ass, I go and like put my ear on the wall and like listen to all the stuff they're fighting about. But yeah, it's them, not us. At least I don't scream and yell. I sing really loud. I don't scream and yell about fucking personal issues. Okay, so this first set is so dang cute and made my body look really good. It had a slit on the side, but the one thing is the straps in the back. I don't know if I was wearing it wrong or something, but it was way too long. And also, it's freezing right now. This next set was also so cute, but the top didn't really fit me right. Like, it was a little loose. If I wore a bra, it would have been fine, but it was also blue, you know, not really Valentine's-y enough. This dress, oh my freaking god, it made my body look amazing. No complaints, honestly. I have some stuff. Why did I come out of there with 2 freaking bags? Who the hell knows? I can't with these cute little boutique shops. But anyways, I have a mini story time for you. And I got 2 different shoes because I can't decide. I'm gonna be walking the strip tonight. So do I want to look cute or do I want my feet to hurt? It's 11:43 right now. I need to rush back home because Diego needs me ready by 12. I think we're gonna go to like a little yoga class or something. A little couples yoga. But yeah, I'll show you guys my outfits and you and Diego can help me decide which ones to choose. Also, I have no idea what jacket to wear with fancy dresses. Yeah, confusion. I am back from the shop. Okay, let me do a quick little haul. Okay, first things first, I got this little bustier type of top. I love this trend that's coming back. I remember wearing these in 9th grade thinking that I was a fashionista and now it's come back in trend. I wish I kept all of mine. Okay, next I got a pink matching set. This is just the pink version of that blue set that I tried on. So here are the bottoms. It's like this blush color and it's sparkly. And then the matching top looks like this. Super cute. This doesn't fit me perfectly, but I know one day I'm gonna want to wear something like this. And plus 2, I can also get it hemmed. Next, I got this dress for tonight. This is the red dress that I tried on. I was so focused on everything else that I forgot to get this other set that I wanted to wear tonight. It was either between this dress and that other set. Now thinking about it, I was probably gonna pick that other set. It's fine. This dress is still really pretty and we're going to a nice little dinner spot. So also, what jackets do you wear with nice dresses? I honestly have no idea. So I got this leather jacket. It's gonna be freezing tonight. And then for shoes, okay, well first I got, you know, pasties. Got these nude heels, just like clear ones. I thought this was very in trend right now because I know my feet are gonna hurt. We got some bedazzled flats. Yeah, this will be cute when I'm walking the strip with all the lights. Woo! I can keep this in my purse. But oh my god, I need to tell you that story time. So I was shopping, right? And it's just me in there. There's 2 workers. They're like young, my age. Someone calls the store and they're like, hi, I want to return this dress. I still have the tags on it, but I bought it like 6 months ago. And so the girl responds and she's like, oh, sorry, we don't do exchanges after a month or something because they're always getting new styles in and blah, blah, blah. And the girl was like, oh, but I'm an influencer. She was like, I have this many subscribers and these many followers. I guess you don't want my money then. The girls were talking about it. I don't remember exactly what she was saying, but pretty much being like, I'm an influencer, that she lives in $1 million apartment. If she's really that rich, then why is she calling to exchange a dress that's like $60? Anyways, yeah, I like joined in their conversation because I was like, what the fuck? I was obviously vlogging, so they knew that I was like a YouTuber. Like, unless you're Kylie Jenner, shut up. I just don't get it. I was never that person. Anyways, that was weird. She's an influencer. What up, peeps? Say hey.
What up, what up?
So we're about to take my Valentine's Day pics. This is my look number 1.
With 1 out of the 11 roses I got.
This is the 5th. Lighting so much better from up here. Okay, well anyways, we went to the mall. Diego got some new shoes and a new hat. I met a little fan. She was really cute. We're gonna go to our pool for this shot. Also, I never showed you guys my pool before, but it's bomb. Okay, you got
There
it.
we go. First time charm.
Look at our pool. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, copyright music. Yeah, boys, we got lots of pickies.
What's up?
Hi guys, I am rushing right now. My hair took so damn long and I didn't even get to finish it. Like, I wanted to curl it, but I was just straightening it and I lost track of time. So now we gotta speed up on my makeup. Let's get it. Red or pink? Like, which one do you like? Because I'm gonna make the choice at the very end.
Alright, well I gotta see them. I just see the color. Oh, that's the red one you showed me, huh?
Yeah.
I want the red one.
Yeah, but the pink
I don't
one,
even like that it's 2-piece. Kind of just threw me off already.
Mr. Mario Badescu. Oh my god, the vertigo effect. Wait, come back, come back.
The what?
It's this thing on TikTok.
What the fuck is that?
Whoa, that looks cool. Wait, let's read it.
In my eyes?
Whoa, that's cool. Okay, this light is horrible. But this is fit number 1. I love the little heels. The sparkles. And then my heels match. Okay, but this one is like hot. We using this one, boys. Look at him just holding my shoes. Look at my shoes, guys. I got some bedazzled. My toes aren't even done. This is how last minute and unprepared I was.
Okay, you gotta have me.
Are you uncomfortable? I know everyone's all cute and lovey. And then here's my boyfriend. Round 1.
Round 1. Ready? Fight.
What did you get?
Spilled water on my pants right now. That's what I got.
Round 2. Round 2. Where are we, bro?
All of you, to stop what you're doing and listen.